How to install uWebinars Meetings and Messenger on Android. On this app, you can start host video meetings and webinars with up to 25 people for free. Build your work teams and business partnership with free online meetings, webinar presentation, and instant messaging that is super easy to use. You have smooth HD quality and completely log-free. Let's install the app. First, we need to go to Google Play, so open Google Play. On the search above, write uWebinars. Now, tap on Search. After you have found the app, tap on Install and wait. We have installed uWebinars Meetings and Messenger app on your Android device. After the install is complete, just tap on Open. Here, you will be able to sign in, sign up for a free account, or join a meeting webinar. I will show you in the next video how to sign up and join a meeting on the app, so check the description of the video. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them on the comments area below.